Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies, Unit number 2, Citizenship, and it's on page number 25. What is citizenship? A person that is a good citizen does his or her share, helps the community, plays by the rules and respects authority and laws. Citizenship involves people acting together to address issues and improve society. Community. What is a community? Your house is on a street. The people who live near your house are your neighbors. All the people living in one place form a community. The community can be a village, a town, or a city. The people of a country are its citizens, and we are Pakistani citizens. Now move on the next slide. Share things. You can look in this picture. The kids share different things with each other. Every community has things which are shared by all the people. The house in which you live may be your own, but the street is not. You share the street with other people. As a citizen of your village, town, or city, you share that place with the other people in it. You share many things too. Sharing these things means that we must also share the responsibility for them. Services. What is mean by services? We share many things with others like school, street, park, shops, banks, airports, clinics, etc. etc. Some of these things are for all of us to use. They are called services. Some services free for us like air, sun, water, and some are paid services and we pay for these services like education, health, public transport, etc. etc. Now move on the next slide. Okay, some services are private services and private services means they belong to someone like banking services, shops, dry cleaning, hairdressers or barbers, watchmakers, petrol station, car repair shop, opticians, photographers, shoes repairs, restaurants, telecommunications. And some services are public services and public services means they are for everyone like education, environmental protection, fire service, police security, healthcare, public library, military, social services, post services, and public transportations. These all are known as public services. Now move on the next slide. Services and tax. What is mean by services and tax? Government provide us many services such as education, medical or health, defense, buildings road, electricity. These facilities are called services and our payment for these services is called tax. Different people serve us differently and we pay for it. These are called services. Following people provide us different services like doctor treat us, teacher teach our children, barber cuts our hair, tailor sews our clothes. All these people provide us services and we pay tax for these services. Now move on the next slide. Government. What is a government? We can't we can't all make the rule So we have an election, we vote and choose people who will make the rules for us. These people form a government. Now move on the next slide. Here you have given some blanks. The first one is all the people living in one place form a dash. We already read about this. All the people living in one place form a community. The second one is the people of a country are its dash. The people of a country are its citizen. The third one is we are a dash citizen. Tell me, we are a, yes, you know, we are a Pakistani citizen. The fourth one is dash services means they belongs to someone. Remember, dash services means they belong to someone, not belongs to everyone. Yes, private services means they belong to someone. The fifth one is dash. Every person in a community has to pay dash. Yes, tax. The last one is air is a dash service for us. It is a free service or not free? Yes, it is a free service for us. The solve blanks you have given in the next slide. Okay, inshallah, the exercise of this lesson we have done in the next video. Hope so you have enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.